Hello everyone, this channel is about knitting, as you may notice, but today's video is quite for everyone. First, I'm going to tell you how to do it, and then I'm going to tell you how I heard about it. First things first, do you use your phone? I do. Quite addicted, especially to social medias and stuff, but not only, also emails and text messages. Are you like me? The one feature that I discover while watching one video that I have to be so thankful for, watch till the end, show me how I can have the gift of time. Now, let me tell you how to have a gift of time. Now, so this is my phone, and I'm using iPhone, but you can probably check it out and see settings in your phone, whatever phone you have. So let's do this. Okay, so on the screen you can see my phone. So where I'm going to go to settings, I'm going to go to general, I'm going to go to keyboards, and I'm going to scroll down. And as you can see, I have a function over here which is dictation, and I have it on. When you enable it, you have different languages, and most of those languages you have in your keyboard anyway, so they're ticked. Once that's done, you could see a keyboard over here, and I'm picking a language. Let's go to English, right? And then we look for a tiny mic over here. So I'm going to press it, and once I press it, I can start talking and it's going to record. So let's see how it managed to hear my English. Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit. So that's that. Is that right? Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. Well, we don't spell my name that way, and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit. As you can see, quite good for non-English person speaking English. Anyway, so let's try and see Polish. To activate Polish to any other languages, you may need to have Wi-Fi or internet connection. So we're going to change to Polish. Okay, this time, let's try to speak Polish. So I'll try to say the same thing when I said it now, but in Polish. Witam wszystkich, mam na imię Barbara i jestem Polką, która mieszka w Irlandii i lubi robić na drutach. So that's pretty good. If you know what you want to say, no worries, you don't have to rush, you can do pause, and sometimes there are a few mistakes here and there. Obviously, you know, not everyone pronounce everything right, but overall it's quite interesting. But at the same time, how I use it also is for any social media. So it speeds up me responding to you when you write down a comment on Instagram or on YouTube. I basically do the same thing. So do you want to see it? Okay, so let's go to my latest video, and I know someone replied or left me a comment, and as you can see, Lisa left a comment and I'm going to respond to it. My husband is brilliant. Can you hear this? Pressing reply, changing language, and going, okay. Thank you, Lisa. I love those hats too. So the only thing I need to change is this and send. Okay, I think that's it. It shows you a bit, and I hope any podcasters who are watching me now, or anyone who has loads of comments on social media, are going to quickly respond or find some time. First of all, thank you, Lisa, for commenting on my video. As you can see, I love it so much. And second of all, I have to say a big thank you to the YouTube channel Z Prądem. This is a Polish channel that I discovered just like 2 days ago, and only because I'm watching this channel, which is a channel about pronunciation certain words in English. So yeah, you never know. So thank you so much. I'll put links down below to those two channels. Obviously they are in Polish, so in case you're a Polish viewer, you can go and enjoy. Even if you're not, I would say go for it and watch, because there's other things there too. For instance, there's a video about quite useful applications on your phone. Even though you don't know the Polish language, you can definitely check those 5 apps for sure. I hope you enjoy this one. See you next one. No worries, probably the next will be about knitting. I hope I gifted you a bit of time. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye. Oh yeah, and subscribe, like, hit that bell. Till the next one. Now, Instagram.